Fortnite for Android is coming out very soon. This is why your kids should not download it. If you have a child, especially a boy, between the ages of 9 and 19, you've probably heard of Fortnite. It is a game by Epic Games that has taken the video game world by storm. It is the biggest thing since Pokemon Go, and it's available right now for Windows computers and console video games. It's been available also for iPhones and iPads for a while, but now that it's coming out for Android, that means a lot more people are going to have access to Fortnite. Now, let me tell you why your kids shouldn't download Fortnite. Epic Games announced that their downloads for Fortnite will be through their website instead of the Google Play Store. The reason that's a bad idea is security and privacy. Let me explain quickly how it works. App stores like the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store allow you to download software for your phone or tablet knowing that it's safe because it has been vetted by the company that created your operating system. So, by downloading an app outside of the App Store, you are bypassing all of that vetting and all of that security and privacy. This is a bad idea, especially for your kids' phones. It opens it up for things like malware, which will track all your data and store it and send it off or sell it somewhere. It can also make you susceptible to hackers that want to use your camera or microphone to learn about you or to track your movements and things like that. Those, of course, are worst-case scenario examples, but at the very least, it could brick your phone or make it to where it just doesn't work anymore at all. Now, I don't think Epic Games is going to put out a version of their game that's going to brick your phone. What I do think is that it's very easy to find versions of Fortnite out there. You can find beta Fortnite websites right now where it says test our game, and in reality, you're downloading something not made by Epic Games at all. That kind of thing is super prevalent, it's everywhere, and it's not as obvious as you might think, especially for your kids. So the excitement of just downloading Fortnite would make them so excited that they go in and download it without realizing what they're doing. The other problem, besides security and privacy, is that downloading Fortnite from a website is going to completely mess up your parental control settings. Say, for instance, you're using Android Family Link to keep track of what your kids are downloading. If they're sideloading apps, which is using any website or anything besides the Google Play Store to install software onto your phone, if they're doing this, you're not seeing it. So you don't know that they've installed Fortnite. This can be a problem if you're trying to keep track of the time they're spending using apps and that sort of thing. So let me give you a couple tips as I end this video. And you can read more in the article below or go to safe.becausefamily.org and click on this article if you're watching this on YouTube to learn more about what you can do to find these files. But what you're looking for is something called an APK file. So it will be the name of the file, .apk. That is how they package software for Android that doesn't come from the Google Play Store. So if you're monitoring their activity and you see that there's a lot of time spent in APK files, that is their phone installing apps from somewhere besides the App Store, and you need to find out what's going on there. So, should your kid play Fortnite? That's up to you. I'm not going to tell you it's a bad idea. Some kids it might be bad. Some kids it might be a good idea. For some kids it doesn't matter at all. But I am going to tell you, you shouldn't let them download it on Android until Fortnite decides they're going to put it in the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.